Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rachel Gray here. I am so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to get this style. The reason why I do this style is because it's a pandemic and it's December and I'm trying to get my goals done. And a wash and go, maintaining my hair isn't conducive right now. I really need a style that's going to keep me through a week, maybe even 2 weeks, that I can, just get up and go, get up and do what I need to do in order to be completed with what I need to get done by the end of December. So I usually twist my hair, but I do a little bit of modifications to my twist in order to get them looking like this. So I want to show you guys how I do this. I really love it, and it's just a way of switching things up so you don't always look the same. You don't always have to do a wash and go. You don't always have to do, your finger curls. You don't have to always do your twist out. Sometimes you can switch it up. That's the wonderful thing about curly hair. So I want to show you guys this. I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching. So I am starting on towel dried hair. So, hi guys. I haven't seen you in a long time, or talked to you in a long time. Okay, this is a mess. This is bad. This is knotted. So what I do to begin this process is I will take my leave-in conditioner and I will put it through my hair. So I've already washed, shampooed, and I followed up with a conditioner. So now it is time to detangle. So I'm taking my leave-in conditioner, and you can use any one you want. I'm using the one by Milani, and I have, but I take a generous amount. I have a video on Milani, that's what I wanted to say. And I will put this on one section. So this product, I think about it like this. This product is gonna last me for a week. So I will be very generous in my application. Another generous amount. Making sure that all areas of my hair are saturated. Then I'm going to use my brush and start at the bottom and detangle. I'll see you when I'm done. That was a job, to say the least. Okay, so now I'm going to use an oil to lock in the moisture. And I kind of just put this through my hair. I'm using the Way hair oil, my favorite. Put 2 spritz, and then kind of, the reason I like this hair oil is because it doesn't weigh down my hair at all. And then I kind of just use my brush to work that in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Shea Moisture Mousse, and I'm going to do like 3 pumps in each side of my hair. And the purpose of this is to hold my twist, because remember, this style is supposed to stay for 7 days. So I'm making sure that I have a good foundation of good products and good moisturized hair for that entirety of the process. Now I'm going to part my hair. All right, so I have my comb here. What I like to do is I just take my comb and I start at the very top of my head, right in the middle. Try to get the most even part possible. And the reason why you want your sections to be even is because untangling your hair after, when you're taking the twist out, it is so much easier and better, and it leads to less hair damage when your hair is parted well. I used to just twist my hair randomly without parting, and the amount of hair loss that I would have while unraveling the twist was significant in contrast to when I actually part my hair well. So that's just a tip. So I will continue this part. And so that's why your hair has to be really, really, really tangled, because otherwise parting is impossible. Start right in the middle of my head, go all the way down, and then there I go. And then I want to part it into 4 sections, so I'll then divide these 2. And each section I'm going to put into 1 large twist, just to keep that separated. Okay. I'm gonna start twisting at the front side of my hair, and I will show you how I go about doing this. So basically take my comb and I will create a section yay high, this much, and then I will twist. Now this is the important part. So you want to be able to twist to the middle section of your hair. Now if your hair is just like mine, you will understand why you need to do this in order to have a more peaceful unraveling process. So this is me twisting. And then instead of going all the way down to the bottom, I kind of stop right here and I do the ends with some mousse, and that becomes a nice little curl. And then I continue the process all over my head. Now, this is pretty simple. It's not rocket science, right? But I find that it is going to be a much easier unraveling process when you do it this way. So here I go, twisting. And the reason why I really like doing twists instead of braids, I'm basically gonna do some work right now and twist at the same time. So I can multitask because it's not a higher level process where you're actually braiding. You're just literally going like this. You're just putting your 2 pieces of hair together to create this twist. So it's not rocket science at all, but that is basically the gist of it. And it also takes a lot less time than when you do braids as well.
On the beat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I added a little bit of hair jewelry at the very end, but these are the final results. Please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you watching so much. Bye guys.